I've got a beach, I've got a Vanquish 540, and I've got a few hours to spare. If you want to see how I get on, stick around to the end. Here, back out on the beach, as you can see, but this time I've actually got a few hours to spare down here with the Vanquish 540. It's new to me. I've only used it for half an hour, literally half an hour, in the last video that I did when I unboxed it and took it out for a quick swing and a ding. So I've got a few hours to spare today. I'm hitting the beach, the tide is slowly on its way in, so really I need to pull my socks up and get cracking. I'll see you at the first hole. Let's dig. Now, last time I was out there with the machine, some people were saying they couldn't hear the tones, but that's because I was obviously using the wired Minelab headphones, which were hard to hear on the mic after I cocked them off my ears, you know, so that I could lift them up and you could hear it through the microphone, but they weren't that loud. So I'm not running any headphones today. Going without headphones, so you can hear everything. So let's start it up. Although that had absolutely no volume on the startup there whatsoever. Let's turn off the Bluetooth. There we go. Let's start that again, because that's normally supposed to noise cancel, and then there we go. That's it. That's better. There you go. Heard that, didn't you? Excellent. Right, let's carry on then. Here on the wet sand. Let's see how we get on before we move up to the pebbles. 5 or 6 down here. There we go. There is iron tones all around it. Let's have a look. Right, let's dig it out and we'll see what it is. Okay, so it wasn't a brilliant find and it took me a little while to get it, but look at that. Very thin, very small piece, and that's what it just detected down there. Like I say, it's not a brilliant find. In fact, it's not even really a find, it's just a bit of tap, but that thin piece was just picked up. Admittedly, it wasn't deep. What was that? 2-3 inches? But it got it. It got it on the wet sand. So that's quite good. A little something just down here has come up. Here we go. Numbers are jumpy. Yeah. All over the place they are. All over the place. Okay, I've got it. Just at the hole there. Just at the bottom, as you can see, is a can. It's a flipping can. But that's it with this. I've got to dig everything that hasn't got a grunt. But then again, some of the modern coinage are going to have a grunt behind them. I'm going to be digging a lot of holes today. But there you go. I mean, good depth, decent depth. What's that? 8, 9 inches, 10 inches down. But then again, it's a big target. But yeah, it's poo. Now, some of you were saying you wanted to hear the tones from the Vanquish just on the beach, just as it is, just walking along, beach, wet sand or whatever. You just wanted to hear how it was on the beach. there we go, because I was asked by a few of you out there that are using Simplexes and things like that. They just wanted to know how quiet the Vanquish was on the beach. So that was with the full discrimination open, all open, nothing notched out. One from top on sensitivity, I believe, or it might even have been on top, and the iron bias low. So that is what it sounds like on the beach. As you heard, you can hear the odd iron grunt, the odd little bit of chatter, but not a lot, not a lot. Quite stable on the beach. Right, got myself a solid signal. About time. Solid tones. Knowing me, it'll probably be a tin can again, but there you go. Okay. 12s, 13s, 14s. Let's have a look. Right, I found it. And again, same thing. I'm now running it, by the way, in coin mode, because I just needed that quicker separation, to be honest. There's so much trash here. There you go, that's what it turned out to be. Again, another wafer thin piece of metal. A little small wafer thin piece of metal. And it picked it out, as you saw, a good strong tone, good strong signal, strong numbers. It's not what I'm after, but it did pick it out nicely. Yeah, did well, did well. Right. Right, this one down here. Coming in at a 15, 15, 16. Let's give it a go. Out. We're talking to Pomsy about numbers. Yeah, he said a 15, 50p. Not this time, Pomsy. Not this time. It's a ring pull. Bugger. Didn't film it because I was just tired of putting tat in the video, to be honest. Tired of putting aluminium tat in the video. But this time I've got something, and it might be a coin. I saw it in here. So let's have a look for it. Yeah, it's definitely a coin. Get my pudgy fingers in here to find it for you. Here it is. Okay, and it simply wouldn't be a hunt without one. Anyone who knows me knows I have a tendency of finding these bloody things. It's a 2p. Well, at least I know the Vanquish finds 2p's. Yeah, that's me happy. Great. So the tones on this one, they were all over the place. There were 11s, dropping down to -6s, and that'll be because it's a penny mixed metal, and the iron, as you can see, just seeping out of that coin. That's there you go. Look, I've actually split the cup. I've actually split the coin. There you go. Yeah, modern coinage, absolutely terrible. I just got something out of the old terms of 19. It's in here somewhere, apparently. What's that? Oh, wow, look at that. There you go. Let's get this in the light. Ship halfpenny. Is that 1964? Nice pre-decimal from the beach. There she is, Queen Elizabeth II. Good day to your mum. Yeah, that's battered. That's really thin. So you look at that coin and you think that's possibly been on this beach since maybe the late 60s, maybe early 70s, whenever it was dropped. Whoops, just like that. So you look at that coin and then you look at the modern coins I'm pulling up today. They're just splitting. Wow. Bit of ship halfpenny off the beach. Unexpected today. But gladly received. Fantastic. Remember guys, if you want a squirty bottle and some stickers, just leave a comment down below. Any comment, doesn't really matter. I picked a couple of winners out from the last video that we did out on the beach with the Simplex. Your stuff is on the post to you. Yeah, and if you want to win, like I say, leave a comment down below. But also, make sure you're subscribed. It's only fair, yeah? It's only fair. Come on, please. Subscribe. I'll be your best mate. Anyway, let's carry on. Solid 11. Alright, let's see what that is. Oh, was that it? Oh, there you go. There it is. And it is another old 10p. There you go. It's the second old 10p the Vanquish has had. So we've had a ship halfpenny and an old 10p from 1969. There we go. Lovely. I'll give this little area here a scout. See if there's anything else. There we go. Yep, 5p. Solid 11. So I'm getting the same things I had the other day. I had 5p, I had an old... Did I get an old 10p last time? No. No, it's all a lie. The old 10p was with the Simplex, not the Vanquish. Yeah. See what else we can get. Something here in the 23s. Go. And that is an old pound coin. What's that that's on it? I don't. So we can get in the light. Here we go. Odd looking one. There you go. Good day to your mom. Yeah. Cracking. Okay, this was coming in at number 12. If I can find it. Oh. Ah, yeah, beaver tail, bugger. Right, here's another one. Here's another 5p. This machine likes 5p's. Simplex likes 2p's, so I've gained 3p per find, so that's nice. Yeah, again, solid 11. Next one out. It's 20p. That one though was coming in like a solid 15, which I thought was like a 50p. There you go. 20p. Solid 15. Right, another one just down here. Just see it. A little something. There you go. A little halfpenny from the 70s. In fact, we can see what it says on it. Look. No, 1982 that one. Yeah, today's a bit of a coin shoot, isn't it? Definitely got a coin shoot going on today. Okay, just been having a go at another hole. And the reason I've not been filming any live digs is because you won't be able to hear the tones. I mean, you can see it. I mean, I'll show you. But I'm wearing Bluetooth headphones now because I needed something to keep the wind out. I couldn't hear what I was, what tones I was getting. It was too windy. So, what is this going to be? There we go. It's another coin. This was again 21s, 22s. It looks to me like it is another old pound. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Another old pound coin. Lovely. This is doing alright. I mean, considering when I normally come on this beach this time of year, I mean, what are we in now? Is it February now? Yep, February. Finding some, you know, plenty of coins. And old ones as well, ones that have been here for a while. So the Vanquish is doing well. Doing well. It's another 5. This machine does love 5p's. And there is something else in the hole as well, so I'll carry on. I'll show you what I've got. Yeah, doing well so far. The other thing in the hole was just a ring pull. But it's that. Okay, so I've got something here. You won't hear it, but numbers are jumping from 16 up to 23. Let's give it a dig, let's see what it is. Okay, looks like the top off or something. Maybe toothpaste. I don't know. Could be Veruca cream for all I know. Ew. Ah, there it is, the Vanquish 540. We've not done too bad on the beach today. We've had a few, obviously, you know, the usual beach finds, ring pulls, aluminium bits of tat like that, but we've also had some nice coinage, you know, that nice ship halfpenny, a couple of pound coins, 20p, some 5p's as well, so it's not been too bad. A little bit of a coin shoot today, bit of a coin shoot. Now, if you're interested in this machine, there is a link down below if you want to head over to LP and grab yourself one. Also, if you like the Simplex, why not check out the playlist up here in the top corner. If you want to check out the Makro Kruzer in the other top corner, check on that playlist there. You've got the Ace 250 down in the bottom corner, check out that playlist, or even just hit the South Coast detecting icon if you wish to subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Ta-ra.